All right. Finally finished with work. Man, my schedule. I forgot to tell you guys. Just in case you guys want to know, sometimes some people like to know details. I start at 7 o'clock in the morning. Actually, I wake up at like 6:10, 6:15. Brush my hair, do my toenails. Just kidding. But I get to work and it's about 6:45. Technically, we start at 7. We get off at 3 o'clock, but most of the time, or for the most part, we finish like at around 3:15, 3:30. And just right on the clock that we finish like 4 o'clock. So just so that we can get that extra hour. So anyways, man, work was good. Everything's going smooth so far. Still trying to pick up on all these new terminologies. I still don't know, like, sometimes my trainer would be telling me to get something. Be like, what? Like, get some conduits. Those of you that aren't electricians, you guys, like, man, there's some terms that it's pretty stupid. Like, he told me one time, go get some conduits, some 10-foot conduits. And I'm like, okay. So I'm thinking, what the hell is 10-foot conduits? And me being prideful, sometimes I don't like to ask, what conduits are. So I just like, all right, I'll go get some. Turn around and walk. And I just looked at the yard like, what the freak was he asking for? So I come back and I'm like, man, bro, I can't find what you're asking for. And he's like, are you serious? They're right there. Like, oh, those. No, you gotta play it off and say, oh, you meant that. Oh, I thought you meant something else. Oh, okay. So anyways, that's kind of like how I learn. I learn like the dumb way. Like, I'll turn around and pretend like I know stuff, and then I'll go back and be like, yeah, there's nothing. And then they'll just tell me where it is, and then I'll just figure it out like that. So, conduits, what they are is pretty much like PVC pipes, but instead of water going through them, it's wires, like, cable wires. It could be whatever wires. So that's to let you know. Like, he could have easily said, go get some 10-foot PVC pipes, because they're pretty much like the same material, except conduit's a little bit more rubbery, just so that you can bend them and, like, Anyway, so that's what it is. It's pipes. Or you could have just said, go get some 10-foot pipes. You know what I mean? If I was a trainer, I'd be like, hey, go get me some 10-foot pipes. Because come on, man, he knows I don't know these terms. Like, thinking I'm an electrician already. Shoot, maybe in, like, give me about 1 more week. No, I'm just kidding. It takes a while to be an electrician. It takes like a few months. You got to go through schooling and all this crap. Right now, I'm starting from ground zero, man. I'm like the dude's biatch. Like, he tells me everything, like what to get, what to do, what to freaking, who to do, when to do. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. It's just all about learning the game. And once I get it down, then I'm good. I'm good on my own. So, anyway, that's not what I wanted to talk about. I wanted to talk about the NBA Finals. So, those of you that are into basketball, I don't play basketball that much. I suck at it, but I love watching it. Just the finals, not really the season. I could care less for the season. I mean, because my team's the Jazz, and lately they've been sucking balls, so I don't really care too much for NBA, except when it reaches the finals, then I pay attention. Especially when it's Miami in it, man, because that's not really my team, but I'm just rooting for LeBron James because he's a guy that a lot of people hate, but they don't understand how good of a player he is. And a lot of people think, oh yeah, he can't score as well as like Kobe Bryant or Michael Jordan. But you got to realize this guy is an all-around player. Like that's how I look at it. I don't care if he doesn't have the finesse, the jump shots like Michael Jordan or like Kobe Bryant. You know, those layup moves and all that crap. He's an all-around good player. That's how I look at it. Like he can play defense. I've seen him block, like, I don't know if you guys have been watching the finals, but that fool went up and blocked Tim Duncan twice. Now, tell me Jordan or Michael or Kobe Bryant can do that. I haven't even seen them go up and block freaking whoever they're guarding, like another point guard or, you know, shooting guard or whatever. Like, so you can't tell me that they do that all day and block 7-footers all day. Because I've seen LeBron James do that twice, and not only that, the other dude from San Antonio, that white boy, he went up and blocked him. Oh man, it was the sickest block. It was in Game 2, man. But you know, tell me who you guys going for, San Antonio, Miami. Me personally, I'm just going for Miami because you know I think LeBron James not really deserves it, but this guy, the way he's playing is phenomenal. And for somebody to play that phenomenal and to not win is just bad. It's just sad news. So I'd like to see him win because of how well he's playing. And you know, just things like that. But it's a crazy series, man. I'm telling you. Game 7, right now is Wednesday. Last game is on Thursday tomorrow, and that's Game 7. I think this is the first time I've seen it go to Game 7 in a long time, but I could be wrong. Like, you know, like I said, I don't watch NBA that much unless it's the finals, and even that, I sometimes don't even pay attention to the finals unless it's like, you know, LeBron or like the Lakers or something. But anyways, all right, y'all.